The pros and cons of limestone flooring. Dear friends, limestone flooring. When it comes to choose a suitable tiling floor material of any space that you want, natural stones can be among one of the 3 most recommended materials. Also, among the list of natural stones, limestone has many features that has made it to be a popular choice, especially when it comes to paving floors. For example, limestone flooring tiles are durable and they can be available in many beautiful color palettes. However, there are aspects of this stone that may not be suitable for all homeowners. Here are the pros and cons of limestone floor you should consider. The pros of limestone flooring. Highly versatile. One of the biggest benefits of limestone tiles is their versatility. This natural stone can be installed in a range of areas around the home. This includes both indoor and outdoor spaces. Plus, its softness makes it a great option for bathrooms where bare feet often come into contact with the ground. Gorgeous aesthetics. Limestone styles derive from natural stones that are made from organic minerals on the Earth's surface. It doesn't matter if you want beautiful kitchen countertops, stunning bathroom floors, or smooth staircases, limestone is suitable for a variety of decorations. Range of sizes. Limestone as a material is very customizable. When customers choose limestone styles, they can pick from a range of sizes to suit their home. After all, the material is easy to cut and shape in a variety of ways. The cons of limestone tiles. Frequent maintenance. Due to their natural beauty, limestone tiles need extra care to maintain their breathtaking aesthetics. It requires strong sealing to protect it from stains and for the tiles to keep their position over extended periods. Heavy and difficult to install. Compared to other natural stones, limestone tiles always require professional installation. It is weighty and hard to carry and can crack if dropped on the floor. Therefore, you need to be extra cautious with limestone, and DIY is out of the question. Less durable than other natural stone, limestone tiles are by no means flimsy. However, it does not tend to last as long as other materials like vinyl, porcelain, and wood. Therefore, if you want tiles that require little maintenance, these are not the best choice. Still, it is fairly durable and is a practical option for flooring. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.